questions. That's it.
Okay.
Write down the answer.
Okay.
In that way, you can do it, you know, in a very quick manner. Okay. Okay, guys, well done. Any question? This is the group activity, okay?
Okay.
Are we in group 2, I think?
Yes, you're group 2. Okay. Let me go to the... Okay, Tim, Minso, William, any question?
No, like property taxes is like it can change, like depends on how many tickets they sold, right?
Good. Discuss with each
Question
okay?
question for the fifth question.
Okay, I'm pausing the recording and I will resume it after 15 minutes when everybody has done our group participation. Okay, welcome back. So I received your file. So let's discuss that one. So number 1, the cost of X-ray film used in the radiology lab at Virginia Mason Hospital in Seattle. Number of X-rays taken. It's variable or fixed?
Variable.
Variable, very nice. Second one, the cost of advertising a rock concert in New York. Number of rock concert tickets sold. Fixed or variable? It's fixed.
Variable.
It's fixed, not Minso, it's fixed. Why? Because whether you sell 1 ticket or 2 tickets or 3 tickets, the advertising cost is the same. Right? Advertise on the billboard, whether you sell 1 concert ticket or 2, is the same, right? Third, the cost of renting retail space for a McDonald's restaurant in Hong Kong. Total sales at the restaurant. Fixed or variable?
Fixed.
Fixed.
Fixed, right? Because sales doesn't apply on the space, right? You can sell 1,000 burgers, 1 burger, 2 burger. You still have to pay the same rent. Fourth, electrical cost of running a roller coaster at Magic Mountain. The number of times the roller coaster is run.
Variable.
Variable or fixed?
Variable.
Variable, very nice, because the more you consume the electricity, the more you have to pay.
Sir, can we also say like it's mixed cost?
The question is silent that we have like a fixed payment, whether this roller coaster run or not. You still have to pay some amount. The question is silent, so we cannot say that.
Okay.
Plus, we are only given 2, fixed or variable. Okay. 5, property taxes paid by your local cinema theater. Number of tickets sold.
A fixed.
It's variable or fixed?
Fixed.
Remember, it's a property tax, right? So whether you are selling 1,000 tickets, 1 ticket, 2 ticket, property tax is the same. But if the sales tax are there, then it's a variable. Why? Because then the more you sell the tickets, the more you have to pay the sales tax, right? It's property tax. 6, the cost of sales commission paid to salesperson at a Nordstrom store, total sales at the store.
Variable.
Variable.
The more you sell, the more you have to pay the commission. Very nice. 7, property insurance on a Coca-Cola bottling plant. Number of cases of bottle produced. Fixed or variable?
Variable.
Fixed.
It is a fixed one. Why? Because it's a property insurance. In insurance, you book the insurance advance, you pay for the whole year, right? And whether you make 2 bottles, 3 bottles, 5 bottles, 5 million bottles, whatsoever, right? It's
Mm.
fixed one, not the variable one. 8. The cost of synthetic material used to make a particular model of running shoe. Number of shoes of that model produced. Of course,
Variable.
variable.
Variable. Yes.
The more you make the shoes, the more you have to use that material. 9. The cost of shipping Panasonic television to retail stores. Number of televisions sold. Yeah.
Variable.
Variable.
Everyone variable. Crystal,
No,
Yeah.
actually fixed.
Tim, Ayana, Leo.
Sorry to confirm. It says ship to the retail store before it's sold, right?
The cost of shipping Panasonic television to retail
Before
store.
you sell it, right?
Number of televisions sold. It means
Then
the
it's
more
fixed.
you sell, the retail stores are going to be empty, and then Panasonic going to be sending more
Also, after.
television to the
So it's
store.
variable. Okay.
Minsu, it's a variable, not fixed one, right? The more one retail store going to sell, the more shipping costs the Panasonic going to have,
Okay.
right? It's a Panasonic own retail store, okay? They are selling, they are shipping from factory to their own retail store, right?
Yeah.
Good. The last one, the cost of leasing an ultrascan diagnostic machine at the American hospital in Paris. Number of patients scanned with the machine.
Fixed.
Fixed.
Everyone. The cost of leasing, which means renting this machine in American hospital. Rent is the same, it's fixed. Whether you scan 1 patient, 2 patient, 3 patient, rent is, or the leasing payment is the same. Okay, it's fixed. Okay. So now I have also pasted its solution here. Let me show you. Where is that one? Here we go. I have also pasted a solution here. So you can also compare later. So we have finished our second lecture here. So any questions you still have, you can post on our WeChat group. I would be happy to answer. And also I would encourage everyone to have a meaningful discussion in our group as well.
Sir,
Okay.
Okay, sir.
sir, are you going to send us the PPT?
Yes. I already uploaded on Blackboard as well, but I'm going to be sending you right now on WeChat as well. Okay.
Okay.
So
Thank
take
you.
care. Have a nice night.
You.
Have a good
Sir.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, sir.